Back at it again, loves. Ow, I pulled my hair. Back at it again, loves. Let's do this, honey. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my kissers. Yes, honey, my lips. Let's try that again. Excuse me. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna do the foundation real quick. So hang tight as I go along. I'm probably gonna fast forward it so you don't have to wait so long for me to get to the point. But you're gonna see how beautiful my lips are. I mean, they're pretty when I'm all natural, but we can make them even juicier, honey. Okay, so I put my picture perfect. My hands feel super soft. Alrighty, let's get to the concealer. Alrighty, okay. Gonna put it right in there, cover those dark spots. Right there, honey. Okay. Looking like a football player. Okay. Go ahead and just put that underneath and kind of dab it around my lips, just to make them pop. Oof. Okay. Looking a little crazy. And I'll show you what that looks like, just so if you're new to the video. Oh, come on. Can't really see it because of the lighting. Let's see if I cover it a little bit. There it goes. Okay. Get your spongy. Sponge it on out. Spongy sponge. Squishly squoosh. Squishy squoosh. Tappa tappa tappa. How is your day going, ladies and gentlemen, whoever's watching? I hope you're enjoying life. I hope it's going great. I hope you had a fab day. And if you didn't, you better turn that frown upside down. Don't let nobody bring you down, honey. Because when you wake up every day, it's a great day. And can't nobody tell you nothing. There's nothing to be upset about. If they do, move on, okay? Let's just keep it going. Don't even worry about them, because if they're being negative, you don't need it. Get that negativity out of here. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna put some of that on there. I dropped the lid. I don't know where it went. Gonna have to find that in a minute. Okay, then you tap, you tap, you tap. You put a little more. You tap over the eyes. Okay, and then I need a little bit more over here. Gosh dang this runny nose. I hate it. If I could chop my nose off, I would. Okay, so go over the nose, dab it on, make it look cute. Very cute. Okay. Alright, in between the brows, on the forehead. Tappa, tappa, tappa. Smudgy, smudgy, smudgy. So, my husband got a new job. He's super excited. I'm super excited. But we work crazy hours. So, I go in at 11 and he has to go in at 2. And we both don't get off until 9 and 10. So, at least we get to sleep together, you know? You gotta see the good, even if there's the ugly or bad, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so tap, 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 tap. But anyway, we're blessed because he has a job. So, you know, some people can't get jobs right away like he did. He switched from one to the other, and it was a blessing. Okay. Guys, I cannot wait for my dog to go into heat in September. It's gonna be greatness. I'm gonna share it with y'all. I know I have makeup tutorials, but this is gonna be greatness because can you imagine little fat bulldogs running around my house? Oh, cannot wait. I'm gonna die. They're to die for. One day I'll show y'all Fred so you can see what he looks like, and Bonnie. Well, I'm pretty sure y'all saw Bonnie. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see Bonzo on there. Bonnie the Bulldog. She also has her own Instagram page, so if y'all want to go and look her up, Bonnie the Bulldog, super cute. So this is what I put on my face. I lost the lid right now, so don't mind the no lid having bottle. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips. That way they look a little bit more fuller, because you can see my lips are baby lips. They're not very big and juicy like I would prefer them to be, but it's okay. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit. You love what God gave you and move on. So I got makeup for, honey. Okay, so I'm just gonna outline the lippy lips. Okay. You see how that top lip already looks fuller? And that's just my regular lip. I don't have nothing on it. I was eating hot Cheetos, so it could be why they're a little bit red. I don't know. I love hot Cheetos, but I love Takis more. They're my favorite. Okay. And my daughter, she's 7. She says that Takis are not as hot as hot Cheetos. I'm like, girl, you're crazy. I don't even know what you're talking about. Okay. So it's kind of like a natty outline. It's a matte. Oh, I didn't even show it to you. Excuse me. So it's a lip liner. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. So that's the color. It's a matte. That's the name right there. Look at those lips. They're so cute. Okay. So, just enjoying doing this video. It's very relaxing. I love nude colors on my lips. I love them. They look best on me. Like I said, I cannot wear dark colors because my lips are already small. It just makes them look even smaller. As we go along through my videos, I'll do a full face makeup piece. But honey, they gotta piece together before you get the whole view of it all. Okay. So. Ooh. It ran. So you see how they look fuller now? Very sexy, yes. What I use is, actually Ipsy sent me this in the mail, so you can see it. It's very cute. Phone won't focus on it, but you get the idea. So, and you can put a little gloss over it to make it shimmer just a little bit more if you like. I prefer this shimmy shimmy. I use Lip Sense. This is one of my favorites. It's a sand color. It's just a gloss, so it just shimmers right on over. And plus, my husband loves shimmer on my lips, so I do it to impress him too. So if your boyfriend or husband, lover, likes a shimmer, put that shimmer on your lips, honey. You like my 70s hair. Okay, girlies, so that will be that for the end of my video. Pretty simple Susie, let's say. Like always, comment, like, share, subscribe. The good, the bad, and the ugly. I love it all. Tell me about it, honey. I'm always here. Phone is always by my side and it's dying again. But you can always reach out to me and I'll always be right there. Unless I'm at work. Sometimes it takes me a while to answer, but I will answer. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a beautiful, lovely day.